Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a medium-sized Ddakji, a traditional Korean game piece. First, gather your materials. You will need 2 square sheets of paper, each measuring about 7 inches by 7 inches. Sturdy yet flexible paper works best. Make sure your workspace is clear and ready for precise folding. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience. Now let's start with the first piece of paper. Take one of your 7-inch squares and fold it in half diagonally, bringing one corner to the opposite corner to form a large triangle. Then, unfold it completely. Repeat this process by folding it along the other diagonal. You should now see a clear X-shaped crease pattern across your paper, which will guide our next steps. Next, take your second 7-inch paper square and repeat the exact same diagonal folding process, creating another X crease pattern. Once both papers are folded, you will have 2 identical pieces. Now, place one folded paper on top of the other, aligning them to form a cross shape. Carefully begin to interlock the outer flaps of the top paper into the pockets created by the bottom paper. This is where the Ddakji starts to take its form. To finish your Ddakji, continue folding the remaining flaps. Each flap needs to be tucked securely into the corresponding pocket created by the other paper. Take your time to ensure all edges are neat and tight. Once all 4 flaps are tucked in, press down firmly on the entire Ddakji to flatten and secure all the folds. Your sturdy, medium-sized Ddakji is now complete and ready for hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.